labor. But see, how many of y'all know labor don't stop before the baby is born? Hallelujah. But labor continues right on after. I don't care if you had a natural or a C-section, you yet gonna go through even after that child comes forth. Hallelujah, Jesus. So even those I just recently found out with Sister Keisha, when you have a cesarean section, you can't eat.
That's right.
Oh, my Lord. You mean to tell me I've had this person inside me, controlling me for the past 9 months, and I still can't eat what I want to eat? Hallelujah, Jesus. I still got to lean and depend on what this child has done. Hallelujah, Jesus. See, when you got that ministry on the inside, it don't stop just because you see it coming forth. It don't stop just because you think, I've made it now. It's all over now. Because even with the natural birth, I found out something called the afterbirth contraction. I said, wait a minute now, nurse. The baby is out while I'm still having contractions. And she said, because your body got to go back to the way that it was. That womb got to try, after being stretched so far for so long, it's got to try to take itself back down. And I said, does it have to do it right now? Hallelujah, Jesus. But there ain't no state off for the afterbirth contractions. Hallelujah, Jesus. You yet have to endure. See, so that's how we look at other people. When